I'll guide you through how to subscribe to Netflix without a credit or debit card the easy way. If you're looking to start a subscription without a traditional bank card, or you want to manage your spending on entertainment, then you need to find alternate payment methods for Netflix. Then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The process is simpler than you think, and there are several ways to pay for your Netflix subscription without needing a credit or debit card. We'll cover the most reliable options, starting with the most popular method. First, the Netflix gift card method. This is a great option because it allows you to pay with cash or a different payment method. You can buy these cards at many retail stores, and you can even purchase them online from services like Amazon. To use one, simply sign into your Netflix account on a web browser and go to netflix.com/redeem. Enter the code found on the back of the physical card or in the email for a digital card. The value of the card is then added to your Netflix account balance, and your subscription will be paid from that balance until it runs out. You can also top up your balance with more gift cards whenever you want. Next, we'll look at other digital payment methods. Many people prefer using digital wallets like PayPal, which can be linked to a bank account or used with a pre-existing balance. During the Netflix sign-up process, simply select PayPal as your payment option and follow the on-screen instructions to link your account. In many regions, you can also pay for Netflix using mobile billing. This is an incredibly convenient method where the monthly subscription fee is simply added to your phone bill. To use this, you just need to enter and verify your mobile number during the checkout process. Finally, let's talk about third-party services. Some mobile and internet providers, like T-Mobile, also offer Netflix as a part of their service package. Check with your current providers to see if you have a Netflix on Us deal that you might not be using. Now that you've learned how to subscribe to Netflix without a credit or debit card, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Netflix video tutorials. Thanks for watching.